Today we're doing the Tornado GR4 Farewell. Revell kit, level 5, 148 scale, 280 parts, sizes, box art, sides is the same all around. On the back there's a little bit of detailed cockpit, your flaps and your special farewell stuff that you get with decals with it. Tells you what colours you want, etc. So the box is so big it's crazy. Personally it doesn't need to be this big, but you know what Revell's like, they don't like it. Saying personally it don't need to be this big, now I've opened the box and looking inside it, by goodness me, look at that lot. That's a lot of plastic. Right, instructions. Quite a lot of details, instruction. There's my decals actually inside it. But there's a lot of instructions to bring it. And your box, your packs, one pack there, 2 and 3, although that one looks mostly to be, oh there might be wheels in there and some engine covers. Mostly seems to be bombs and stuff. But yeah, there you go. Right, this kit was bought for me by my daughter for Father's Day, so it's time to get on with it and get it made. Obviously there's my decals, bit of tape on to hold them in place. A quick show you them before I start and work on the plastic and build the kit. It's a lot of decals, nice and all. Tell you how they feel. I could feel them, they're a little bit raised, all of them. But Revell's are usually not the greatest decals to be honest, but the newer ones are okay. Put that back in there. And the instructions, as you can see, there's a lot of section. 92, 90 odd, 96 sections. About 96B, so there's going to be some A's and B's in this, or technically quite a lot. So, let's start building the kit. Let's start and get it out of the bag and crack on with it. As I'm finishing up now, I'm deciding to just do a video on the cockpit. It's took me quite a while to build this cockpit. It's a lot of detail in it, so I'm going to cut these videos down so they're a bit shorter, so you're not having to sit here for half an hour just trying to watch a small section. So there'll be a cockpit build, the plane build, paint, and then the decal and weathering one. So we'll have 4 sections. This is part 1. I am very impressed with the cockpit. It looks very nice. I've no added parts for cockpit. I've not bought any etched brass or out like that. So you're getting what comes in the kit, as you can see there. Looks beautiful if you ask me. I'll leave you to look at a few photos now I've took at it, because it's in a bit more detail with photos. And hopefully, with a bit of luck, you'll be around for the next part, which will be coming soon, I hope, as soon as I finally build it, the rest of it. And thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, helps my channel out a lot, and I'll catch you around next time. See you later.